Designcrowd is an online platform that connects businesses and individuals with freelance graphic designers worldwide. It allows clients to post design projects and receive multiple design submissions from various designers. Clients can then choose the best design that suits their needs, and the selected designer gets paid for their work. To make money online with Designcrowd in 2024 as a beginner, follow this step-by-step guide. 1. Sign up. Create an account on Designcrowd by visiting their website and providing your personal and professional details. 2. Portfolio. Build a strong portfolio showcasing your design skills and experience. Include examples of your previous work, ensuring they are high quality and visually appealing. 3. Choose your category. Select the design category you specialize in, such as logo design, website design, or marketing materials. 4. Browse projects. Regularly visit the Designcrowd platform to find projects that match your skills and interests. You can filter projects based on deadlines, budgets, and client ratings. 5. Submit a proposal. If you find a project you'd like to work on, submit a proposal to the client. Include a brief explanation of your design approach, a timeline for completion, and your fee. 6. Win projects. Clients will evaluate your proposal and choose the designer they want to work with. If you're selected, you'll receive an invitation to start working on the project. 7. Communicate with the client. Keep in close contact with the client to understand their requirements and preferences. Provide regular updates and revisions until the client is satisfied with your work. 8. Deliver high-quality designs. Ensure your designs meet the client's expectations and are delivered on time. Quality work will help you build a positive reputation and increase your chances of winning more projects. 9. Get paid. Once the client approves your design, you'll receive payment directly from Designcrowd. 10. Repeat and grow. Continue submitting proposals, winning projects, and delivering quality work to build your reputation and client base. As you gain experience and positive feedback, you'll be able to charge higher fees and attract more projects. Remember to maintain professionalism, communicate effectively, and continuously improve your design skills to succeed on Designcrowd and make money online as a freelance graphic designer.